Hi everyone, this is Key App platform for app analytics and app keyword promotion. And today we are going to discuss artificial intelligence. So you could already notice how many times we discussed the usage of artificial intelligence and particularly Chat GPT in app store optimization and keyword promotion. And today we would like to pay some more attention to another artificial intelligence tool called BART. And as an example, we would like to take betting and gambling applications. So stay tuned and just watch this video till the end to find out all the secrets. If we talk about BART in general, it is a language model as well as ChatGPT, but there is the difference in the information they can provide. When we are talking about ChatGPT, we remember that it is able to provide the data published or available up to the year of 2021. And when we work with BART, there are no such limitations in the information, and actually it can take the data from Google search. So if the information is available on Google, BART can provide this information as well. And when we're talking about App Store optimization, remember that it is a kind of long and difficult process, and a lot of steps should be done. There are visual and text optimization. Unfortunately, BART doesn't create any images and it cannot help with visual optimization. There are some other artificial intelligence like Midjourney which can help with this task. But when we're talking about text optimization, of course, BART can help because it is a language model which is programmed to create some text. And we have tested BART before, and what we can take about some text optimization is that keyword research is one of the most important steps before we proceed with some text creation and with keyword promotion. And when we are talking about the keyword cloud gathering, we would like to tell that BART is more convenient and it is more useful. Like the keywords provided by BART are more relevant, and some keywords are even divided into the groups according to the audience and according to the length of the keywords. So some short tail keywords are grouped in one set of requests, and there are some other long-tailed keywords. At the same time, BART also provides some recommendations about the relevant search volume competition. These are not the recommendations like in numbers that the particular keyword have the particular search volume, but it is a kind of general recommendation which should be taken into the account when you work with the keywords and with the keyword promotion, that all the keywords should be relevant, that it is needed to choose the keywords with high and middle search volume, that it is needed to pay attention to the competition as well, because we remember that the keyword promotion for some competitive keywords is more difficult. So one more important and useful option is that there are three drafts of the answer BART gives, and you can check all the drafts, and in such a way you can get a lot of keywords simultaneously without regenerating the response as we do with ChatGPT. After we get the keywords and we need to proceed with keyword research, do not forget to copy them and add to the key app platform to my keyword section, so to be able to check the rank, score, and traffic. You can use the functions connected with the keyword research completely for free at Key App platform. So everything you need is just to create the account, and you can check the keyword ranks, popularity, and traffic for your application for all the countries, and there are no limitations in the number of search requests you can add for checking, for example. So after you added the keywords, you are able to check the popularity score, the estimated traffic. Remember that for Google Play, these numbers are approximate, and for App Store, we have only the score from Apple Search Ads, and the traffic is approximate as well. At the same time, when you proceed with keyword research, do not forget to use suggest button, and this button helps to get these suggestions which users see when they type the search request on Google Play or App Store. In such a way, you will be able to gather the keywords for your application not in several hours, but just in few minutes. And this process will not take a lot of time, for example, without the possibility to use such tools. So you just check which keywords are relevant for your application and add them, so to check the popularity, ranks and traffic as well, and decide which keywords may be used in App Store optimization in your application text, for example. The next step of App Store optimization, of text optimization, is of course the text creation. We create a title, short, long description, subtitle for App Store. And when we work with Chat GPT, we remember that Chat GPT creates really good text. So, of course, in some cases, we need to give some more details, which functions, for example, our application has, or from which category this application is. But anyway, ChatGPT creates really good text, and it is kind of good language model. And let's test BERT. So we just ask to create the description for Cadena app on Google Play, and we ask to use the keywords Casina app, and free Casina. Now let's see which description will be created by BERT. So here is the description. The first thing I would like to tell is that this description is extremely short. And Bert mentioned this, like this description is short and to the point, and it highlights the key features and benefits of the Casino app, and it also includes all the relevant keywords which will help to improve the app's visibility in Google Play search results. So, as BERT is the product of Google, it completely understands that the keywords should be added to the description, so to increase and improve the application visibility. So maybe it is the advantage of the BERT when we work with some Google Play apps, because BART and Google Play are both products of Google, and in such a way they may be connected in some way, and just BART can understand better how Google Play algorithm work. But anyway, we can check some drafts. We can take all of them, for example, and create one description, but I would like to ask to create the description consists of 3,000 characters. Great, but extend characters. Let's see if this description will be longer. And really, the possibility to get the drafts, to get several options at once is extremely useful. Like, you do not need to regenerate the response as we do with ChatGPT. We can also like check the drafts created, and we can choose the one which we like, or we can get three more and regenerate the response. So we see that here with the longer description with three options as well. And Bart also mentioned that there are 3,000 characters. And of course, it includes all the possible relevant keywords and provide more information about the specific feature. So in general, we may say that the text created by Bart is more structured, like there are more points and all this information. But anyway, it is possible to create the text using this artificial intelligence as well, because anyway, we need to check the text created manually, and for example, to add more keywords or to just add some more functionality our application has, so to be able to give the understanding of this functionality to our users. But in general, Bart created great text as well, and you can use this as a pattern for your future application description. And one more theory we would like to test if Chat GPT cannot provide the ranks. Chat GPT cannot go to Google Play and check which position the application has for the particular search request. But as BART has an access to more detailed, to more accurate information, we would like to test if it is possible to go to Google Play and check the positions or check the search list for the particular keyword. So first of all, let's ask to provide the app ranks for the keyword Kadena app on Google Play in the US. And let's see if BERT will provide the real search list, which may be seen by us on Google Play in the web version, of course. So we see the list, we see the rank app, we see the developer name, we see that this list as of September 15th this year, and it is also possible to export this to sheets. And of course, BERT also noticed that the ranks are not stable, they may be changed as new apps released and so on. But anyway, there are some apps, Jackpot Twins, Slotomania, and Double Down Casino. And let's go to Google Play in the web version and check if top 3 is really occupied by these applications. And unfortunately, this search list is not the same as provided by ChatGPT. Of course, some of the apps provided by BERT in the list occupies position in top 10, but top 3 apps are not the same, and the apps which occupy lower ranks are also different compared to the ones provided by bars. So anyway, if you need to check your application positions, or if you would like to check the search list for the particular keywords, for example, it is needed to use analytical platforms so to be able to get this information, because when we work with web version, unfortunately we are not able to get more than 30 apps after the Google Play update of the web version. But in general, the ranks provided by BERT are not the same, or maybe they check the ranks using some other tools, or maybe they use some other devices, not web version, and maybe that's the difference. Oh, yes, in general, the search list for the keyword, the ranks are not stable, but anyway, just do not use artificial intelligence, even if it is BART, which is the product of Google, to check the positions. It is better to use analytical platforms which have their algorithm to provide the positions for any keyword and for any application in the needed country. And one more theory, we would like to test if BART is able to follow the links. We have the betting application, and this application is our competitor, and we know that when we are preparing the app store optimization strategy, or when we are preparing new release, it is important for us to analyze the competitors, to analyze how they proceed with app store optimization, with visual and text optimization, and of course to analyze the app reputation, to get what their users say about their application. And using Chat GPT, we did such analysis, and we just put the reviews, we copied and put the reviews to Chat GPT and asked to provide pros and cons of the particular application based on these reviews. In this case, just let's ask to check the reviews of this app and provide pros cons of the app based on the user reviews. And we do not put the copied reviews, we just put the application link. Before, we just checked some reviews and know some details about the application according to the user feedback. And let's see if the response provided by BERT will be approximately the same. So we see the pros and we see the cons, and in general, Bart didn't ask to provide the review text and like didn't mention that it cannot follow the link, so on. And we see that there are some users who have reported problems with withdrawals, and that's true. We saw these reviews, problems with the app crashing, too addictive, and the app name in general provided correctly that the app we checked, and even some examples of reviews are provided. So in general, Bart can go to Google Play, to the application page, take the review and provide this review to us when we analyze. So it is extremely useful. At the same time, we see some more drafts where even the rating provided, for example, where the number of reviews provided. So for all this information, to get all this data, a board needs to go to the application page, and there is no way to get this information without visiting the Google Play. So most probably, Bart really can go to Google Play and check some information. And we see that in all three variants, in all three drafts, different positive and negative reviews are mentioned. So Bart just scanned the application page, the reviews, and provided the review text to us. Of course, all these features need to be tested more during longer period of time, and I suppose in the next episodes we will talk about this more about Bart, because we see that there are some functions which are really different if we compare this artificial intelligence to Chat GPT, for example, and it is needed to define how Bart can scan the application page on Google Play, for example. But anyway, when you work with betting or gambling applications, we know that there are a lot of such apps published on both stores, and the competitiveness is extremely high. So, one more important step you may do to attract more users is, of course, the competitors analysis. And as we may see, BERT can really help with this within several minutes. And the next step, when App Store optimization is already done, when you analyze the market, the competitors, is of course the keyword promotion. And of course, this process is also long and requires a lot of efforts to make sure that the application will attract organic users after achieving top positions. But anyway, before keyword promotion, we proceed with keyword research as well, just to define which search request should be taken to the campaign and which request may bring organic users to our application. We may not be sure that Bart has an access to some information about the search volume or about the keyword traffic on Google Play, but anyway, let's ask to provide the most traffic keywords for betting application on Google Play. Because when we are talking about some betting, some gambling applications, there are more of such apps on Google Play. And let's see the result and if these keywords are really traffic or not, and how traffic is um, defined by BERT. So, unfortunately, the result we received is the same as we got there when we proceeded with keyword research for keyword cloud gathering. Maybe the problem is that it is the same chat. So let's try to go to new another chat and ask the same information. Maybe the set of keywords provided will be different, but I'm not sure. Anyway, the same keyword research provided in this chat. Let's try to change the app niche, like let's be casino application. Maybe the result will be different, but at this stage, BART doesn't provide the set of the most important keywords for the particular app category. The same, we just see some specific casino keywords. So we see a lot of search requests actually, which may be used in keyword research. Of course, after analysis with key app platform, for example, you may take them to keyword promotion as well. But we expected to get, like, 7-10 keywords which are really considered the most traffic in this particular niche by BART, because just we hope that BART is connected to Google Play somehow, or it can take some information from Google Play, so we have some official data about the popularity. But unfortunately, for now, it is not possible, and we still have no information about the data and traffic, and BART cannot provide this information as well. But in general, when you work with betting and gambling applications, such keyword research is extremely important because it is better to promote a lot of search requests simultaneously, and this will help your application to achieve the ranks faster and more efficient, especially when we work with Google Play. And when we are talking about iGaming, of course, mostly we talk about Google Play because a lot of such applications are published exactly on this store and not on App Store due to some issues with application moderation. But when you work with betting gambling applications on Google Play, try to add as many keywords as possible to the promotion campaign. Of course, not all of these keywords will be of high popularity. Some of these keywords will be long tailed with low popularity. But anyway, even setting low number of downloads for such keywords, you will be able to increase the positions for this request and for connected request. And nevertheless, the keyword is of low popularity, you can spend 5-10 installs for its promotion and still get some organic users from this search request. And if to sum up about BART compared to Google Play, anyway, I believe we will continue discussing this artificial intelligence functions, but just the first opinion is that BART is more suitable for keyword research. It provides more relevant keywords. Also, the advantage is that it can follow the links. We saw that it provided us even the text of reviews from the application page. So we save a lot of time when we proceed with competitor analysis. And when we are talking about some text creation, I would prefer Chat GPT because the text created by Chat GPT is really exceptional. It has some mood. And when we are talking about BERT, these texts are more structured with more points, like anyway, text created by ChatGPT, I suppose, may be more useful when you create the description for your application. But when you look for the keyword, I would recommend to use BART. These keywords are really more relevant and more useful from the ones which are provided by ChatGPT in the previous videos. But anyway, do not forget to combine different tools when you work with App Store optimization and, of course, with keyword promotion. When you work with App Store optimization, it is needed to use App Store optimization tools to check the keyword popularity, to check the ranks, and do not forget that all these functions are completely free at Key App platform. If you have some more questions about keyword promotion, about promotion of gambling and betting applications, do not hesitate to contact our support team or your personal manager, and we will be extremely happy to assist as we have really great experience in the promotion of such app categories, and we will be happy to share the secrets we have. Get top positions in the search with Key App.